The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall.
Take all the picture and all the video you want to take because I cannot save you. Let me know. Indian, I am coming to Matilda's corner for my license tomorrow morning. You see how long it might take a spread bed panning? And I job, you should have known what stop me for. You should have, listen to me. You don't need to video it, you know. You don't need to video it. Come here, call Bobby out upon you right now. You don't need to video it. I'm telling you. So you get, could I have my license, please?
Sir, don't.
Have my license?
Don't touch me.
I am waiting
Don't
too
touch
long
me.
for my license. I am waiting too long for my license now. So you're going to give me a license, let me leave. Indian, I'm expecting a police stop me. He said I'm charging, he knows my license and my information, I need it.
Excuse, man.
He's a police, he's a sergeant of police, Lewis. So you don't talk to him like you don't know him.
Excuse me, sir. Stop obstructing for my work.
There's two police right here. There are two police right there. And I'm a justice of the peace. And I'm telling you, I'm a justice of the peace. I'm a justice of the peace. So you playing games with me now.
May I obstruct you?
You're playing games with me now. You can make all the video you want to video. But I'm going to deal with it. You're getting me very irritated. Who remember the trail? I'm going to deal with you and him. You're getting out of Kingston because you have no customer service. You need to be in Montego Bay, make man shoot you. And that's where you need to be. No, I am getting mad. And he don't even... I'm not giving it away. But listen, he knows his job. You shouldn't take that long time to write me a ticket. But you laugh. You know something? You have some people that will go unheard and some will go heard. Well, I'm one. You see. Listen, man.
You can't imagine me identify myself to the man.
No, you don't need to talk to him anymore. You don't need to talk to him anymore.
And the more tell me something, stop obstructing.
Why? You don't need to talk to him now because you see where I come from now, I come from now, we're good. So you don't know nothing good. Try. He's going to regret this moment. I don't care about the ticket because I'm paid that. Because you take 10 days to work $5,000. We work in a 2 seconds. Wait here.
You're going to sign for the ticket, Mr.
Just give me my ticket and let me go.
Okay,
I
sir.
don't want to talk to you anymore. Because you don't know what you're doing. Just give me my license. Just give me, don't send them to me.
Viewers and subscribers, here are some questions I'm going to ask you and I want you to tell me what you think. If that was a taxi man or a normal regular Jamaican citizen, you know, that was arguing with the police officer like how the justice of the peace person right there is arguing, would the outcome of the situation be different or the same? Is it that the police officer is taking advantage or taking disadvantage of the situation and the power that he is given out there as a police officer? Or is it that this justice of the peace is just doing too much, arguing with a police officer while they're carrying out their duty? Right? Those are the questions I'm going to ask you right about now, viewers and subscribers. And for those who don't really know or understand what's going on, right, I'm just going to repeat it quick and fast. The man that is right there that is being a bit angry is said to be a justice of the peace, and he's traveling with two persons that is said to be police officers, and the person that is holding the camera is said to be a police officer giving the justice of the peace person a ticket, right, traffic violation ticket. So viewers and subscribers, that is what happened. Let me know what go on. Yes, I say. The biggest controversy about this part of the video is the part where he says the police officer need to go and maybe make, you know, something about shooting. So you hear it is right there. All right. So let me know what you think about something like this. Who is wrong or who is doing the right thing? Yes, I say, and how would the situation be different if it was somebody different other than the JP? All right, viewers and subscribers. So let me know what you think. And as always, you don't know, my name is Dancehall Skilla. You big up on yourself, you know. You see it.